Either if you want to fix outgoing calls not ringing on iPhone, then this video is for you. First, you just need to check some things that can prevent your phone to ring when you got an outgoing call. So you can just go to settings and make sure that you go to the sounds and haptics and make sure that you have turned off the silent mode. If silent mode is turned on, tap on it to turn off the silent mode on your device. So if the silent mode is turned on, then you can get a ring from outgoing call or any other notifications. So there's another thing, you can just refresh your network by tap on this airplane mode for once, and you just need to turn it on back again after a few seconds. Just like tap on it, and here you can see it will just quick refresh my network system. Here you can see it is just restarting here, so you have to wait until it restart. So I don't have any physical SIM yet on my device. So if you got the network line here, then you can just go to the cellular, and you can I'm going to set up cellular right now. If you don't have any SIM or eSIM or any type of physical SIM, then you can get the cellular option. But in cellular option, you will find your Wi-Fi calling system settings. You can just turn it on. You must need to turn on the Wi-Fi calling system on your iPhone if your SIM network or the operating network is too much weak to get any outgoing call. So then there's another option, is you just need to go to the focus and make sure that any of these on this focus mode is turned on or off. If like do not disturb, driving, sleep, this focus modes is turned on, then it will prevent your device to ring for any type of calls, some incoming or outgoing calls, or any type of like notifications. So you can just tap on it, this do not disturb button here, and you can just turn it off from here. Actually, from the control panel you can turn it off easily. You just need to swipe from the right side of your screen, and here you'll find the focus settings. You can hold on it and you can find all the focus available here from here. Now you can tap on it again to turn it off. If you find that the sleep mode is turned on, then you can turn it off by tap on it once again. So you can do for every mode from here. After that, there's another option that go to the apps, and from here search for phone. Let me search for it. Here it is. I'm going to tap on it. Now from here you'll find incoming calls or announced calls. You can go with announced calls if it will actually talk the number or the caller ID to by your speaker or any headset if you turn it on again. So here in incoming call you can select the banner, and here you can just here you can find it silence unknown callers. You can turn, if you find that this option is turned on, then you can just turn it off. So if you get any outgoing calls from an unknown caller, then you can it will automatically silence your device, so you won't get any type of ring from it. So that's all things that can solve this issue on your iPhone. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.